Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start famous Hollywood celebrity and start their careers and which professions. Many Hollywood celebrities have surprising origin with some starting their careers in unexpected ways. For instance, some began as models while others worked as waiter or even accountants. Take for example Harrison Ford, who started a carpenter before becoming an actor. Similarly, Channing Tatum worked as a stripper before landing his breakthrough role. These examples illustrate that success in Hollywood is not always a straightforward journey, and many celebrities have taken unconventional paths to stardom. Daredevil rapper Courtney Cox, model Gwyneth Paltrow, child actress Kristen Dunst, started as model Clint Eastwood, started as lifeguard Denzel Washington, journalist America Ferrera, started as model Elise Bladwin, started as waiter Ben Affleck, started as child model Christian Bale, started as child model Jim Franco, started as MC Donald employee Mike Rowe, started as opera singer Nick Offerman, started as carpenter John Cena, started as wrestler Danny DeVito, started as hairstylist Gina Davis, started as model Cal Weather, started as footballer Deviani Johnson, started as wrestler Hulk Hogan, started as wrestler Candy Crowd, started as model Mila Jones, started as model Arnold, started as bodybuilder Ashton Kutcher, started as a model Brooklyn Decker, started as model Channing Tatum, started as a model Eddie Murphy, started as a comedian Jim Carrey, started as a comedian Robin Williams, started as a comedian Will Smith, started as a rapper Adam Sandler, started as a comedian Bill Murray, started as a comedian Justin Timberlake, started as a member of NSYNC Madonna, started as a musician Mark Wahlberg, started as a rapper David Bowie, started as a musician Meryl Streep, started as a stage actress Kate Winslet, started as a child actress British Julia Roberts, started as a waitress Jennifer Lawrence, started as a child model Halle Berry, started as a beauty pageant Emma Stone, started as a child actress theater Charlize Theron, started as a model Kate Blanchett, started as a stage actress Angelina Jolie, started as a model Amy Adams, started as a dancer Theme Park Tom Hanks, started as a theater company Ryan Gosling, started as a mouse skater Mel Gibson, started as a stage actor Matt Damon, started as a screenwriter Harrison Ford, started as a carpenter Jim Carrey, start-up stand-up comedian. Leonardo DiCaprio, start as a child model. Devyani Johnson, start as a wrestler. Charles Hemsworth, start as a professional surfer. Channing Tatum, start as a stepper. Alien Dignicer, start as a comedian. Thank you guys. If you like my channel, if you like my video, don't forget subscribe button on bell icon. Gets more information about Hollywood celebrities and the